Welcome back to another video. So this is the video where I show you guys about the new room. So we found the new room, so to say, and it has attached wardrobe. So yes, we can keep our shoes down there, and there is one more space up here. And this is the big window for the bedroom. Oh, I can see myself. And we have a balcony. Okay, so there are some flowers already. This side also, there's a money plant, so we'll be rich now. Money, money. And this is the view. Since it's night, you cannot see anything. Let's make it a bit bright. Okay, so this is the view from our new house. The room is still a bit dirty, so I am doing the cleanings. And right, this is the bedroom. And this is Mr. Vicky, our good friend. And this is the whole area, so that's the entrance. We enter from there. And Wi-Fi is working, so we put up our Wi-Fi. And this window leads to nowhere. So here, there's a wall. Okay, so this is just for the ventilation. This is the 4th floor, so we need a ventilation. So that's it. And this is the washroom. Okay. It's a teeny tiny cute washroom. It's a light, single light, and there's no shower. Here, there's a tap, no shower. Okay, no problem. Turn off the light. Nice door. And this is the kitchen. So it's not that small. It's good enough kitchen, good enough size. The window and ventilation, and there are cabinets. Spacious, so we can put our daily use voila here, like sugar and salt and stuff like that. A lot of space, not bad. And the sink, nice, amazing. Okay, so we need to do the cleaning now, and then after some time we need to shift. It's night, and yeah, sorry. And she is Sylvia. She is also a good friend. She knows how to cook very well, guys. And I'm not kidding. If she cooks, so I can eat a lot, as much as I want, I can eat. So she is the best chef ever. Alright, so I will show you again once it's all done. I mean, yeah, we need to fit the curtains also. I bought it from Sarojini. I will show you. So the curtain cost very less. I will show you once and then you will know. Vicky, why are you hiding?
I'm not hiding, bro.
See, you're hiding again.
Hey,
Okay. Suraj the blacky boy. So dirty.
Dusty.
No, you. Suraj the lazy dirty boy. Oh, almost done now, guys. And my voice is echoing because there is nothing in the room. After that, we'll have to mop the floor and then. Yay! Water on the floor, guys. Nice. Yay! Yes, easy. Thank you so much for helping, Sylvia. You are awesome. I am. Cleanliness is important, guys. We need to clean our own house. We need to clean others' house also, if you understand. A lot of work to do. My voice is echoing. Hello. Alright guys, so this is the next day, and I came back and I brought some of these utensils which were ours. We stored it at Wendy's place, so a little bit of them. I think this is more than enough. And we have a gas stove, as we have 2 cylinders, we need to fill them up both. And what else? 2 frying pans which are burnt. And here we have some of our stuffs, some frames, shoes. That's it. And something is charging. And yes, this is Almera, but we don't need it because we already have one. And this is the view during the day. So here we have some plants, which you saw yesterday, I mean at night. And this is the view from our house. Oh, cow shed, guys. There are so many cows. So many cows happening. Nice. And the money plant again. Alright, so we need to get everything sorted. I'm so tired. And we need 2 mattresses. One for Suraj, one for me. Khatam, guys. Khatam! Now it's time to fit the parda. So we brought down this 2 mattresses, and this is the curtain which I was talking about. This cost me just 150 per piece. So it's a good one. 150 per piece, guys. It's 4 by 7. 4 feet by 7 feet. 7 feet long, 4 feet in breadth. So we'll put the parda here. So we'll put 3 here. 2 towards the window and 1 towards the door. So once everything is done, I mean once all the parda is fit and everything is sorted out, I'll show it to you guys again. The Blackie boy looks like a girl wearing sari. Yay! Lights on. Okay, so this is the new curtain, guys. Check this out. Wow, nice. The kitchen is still messed up. Nothing is arranged yet. So I just want to show you the curtains. 150 each, guys. 150, so cheap. Yay! Sasta, sasta. The curtains. So it looks awesome. But I was planning to put it all across, but it was short. So if we put it this side, it doesn't look that good. So we just leave it for the windows. So yeah, that's just for the windows, and I hope it looks nice. So guys, comment down below how you feel about it, and in case we go to the market again someday and if we find something longer than this, then we'll bring it for the door as well. But for now, door, I'm sorry, no curtain for you. Aha, looks awesome. Hey, Instagram picture. Hey, nice. Alright, so next thing we need to do is arrange all of the clothes, bring out all of the clothes from here and transfer it all over there. Check this out, Prashant and Sanjay. So Prashant was here with us once upon a time in Delhi. And these frames will go up somewhere in the wall, like either here or there. So we'll see, we'll think about that. Nice. And after we arrange everything, we need to keep these bags and this thing up there. So, alright, let's see what's up there. Okay, oh, there are some old stuffs, guys. What are the old stuffs? Let's bring them down. Oh ho, check this out, guys. 18 plus. If you are under 18, close your eyes. So here we have some books, some abnormally sitting one couple. What are they doing? This is opposite side. Okay, anyways, so there. Okay, I don't think this is good to show. Bad kids will love it. Okay, so these are masala namkeen wrappers. They made fan out of it. Okay, maybe they use it during summer, but okay, I don't think we have anything else. Do we have any surprises left? No. Okay, right, that goes to the dustbin. And guys, much later, we are settled down a bit and we took nap, and the time is 3 already, and There's no sun in Delhi. It's all fog. So this time it's not smog, it's fog, because we can know the difference between smog and fog. And it's cold, it's chilly, breezy, and see, you can see some water droplets. So it's kind of trying to rain, starting to rain maybe. So our money plant will grow. I just watered them and then the cloud decided to rain. So yeah, so I will let this money plant grow and go that way, the first floor. In the second floor, money plant will also go from the ground floor. So it will make a wall of money plants, so we will be rich. So this is tulsi, dry tulsi. This is grandmother tulsi, and this is another type of adopted flower. Okay, nice. So we have to go down to get some important things. And we went out to shop and I forgot to film everything. So guys, this is what we got. Inside of this there are a lot of things. So we bought the cheapest thing ever possible made. So, and now we are buying some essential for like toothpaste and stuff like that. So dirty guys, and it's raining. Let's go inside and see what we got. So back at home, okay, I'll show you what we got. My voice is echoing, so sorry. There's the dustbin. This is the cloth for dustbin. Cheap mug. Emerson. Doesn't we need to take bath. Gas lighter. Dustpan, and yeah, we need to drink chai. Okay. Here we have sugar for chai, chai patti for chai. This one will hang in the washroom. Okay, hand wash, and a micro toothpaste, soap, and this is broom, and there are 2 baskets to keep our utensils. That's it, guys. Wait. So now we're trying to end the vlog, and guys, Suraj is fixing this speaker system, which is barely working. Okay. Oh, nice. And nothing has changed much. So this, we have arranged few things, and the gas is now connected successfully. We'll put some vegetables there when we get them, and the rest are sitting here. And yeah, we need to buy all of this kind of stuff, and we'll nail this frame somewhere else, but not today. And I am tired. All day working, going here and there, and yeah. So I'll catch up in another video again. Hopefully by that time most of the things will be here, all settled, and yeah. And thank you guys for your love and support. You guys are amazing, and yeah. Catch you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.